Do you think you'll be throwing the ball a little bit more this year at all?
Yeah, I think so. I've been happy with how I've been throwing the ball in the off season and really been working on that. But we'll see how it goes. Whatever the team needs me to do, I'm going to do it.
How close do you guys feel as far as getting that Legends title crown and getting to the Big Ten title game? How close are you, do you think?
I think we're really close. I mean, if you look back at the 3 games that we lost last year, we were up late in the fourth quarter and we lost all 3 of them. So give us a few minutes back, we might have done it. So that's really how close we are. Just finishing a few games. From top to bottom, the Big Ten is strong, so it's not going to be cupcake games. Nobody's going to give you anything. You really got to fight for it. So.
About that Nebraska game last year, just kind of talk about how you're using that as motivation.
Honestly, it was a tough game, but I don't really remember a lot of that. We're going to play the new Nebraska team, we're going to play the new Northwestern team. It's going to be a totally different game. Yeah, there's going to be some things that we take from last year's game that we should have improved on, maybe some things that we should have capitalized on. And we'll try to incorporate that into the game. Every game is different.